USC Sadu, Ubalong Udisi ke East Khasi Hills, Hadian Baladep Lot ke Jingyo Vote, Ulapan Bana Job, but Aya ke Certificate ya U Dr. Ricky Syngkon, Haka Baladon U President ke VPP, Uba Arden Milabasa Yomot, Lembat Kiwe Kinong Kershan.
I, returning officer for the 1 Shillong District Parliamentary Constituency in the state of Meghalaya, hereby certify that I have, on the 4th day of June 2024, declared Sri Dr. Ricky Androjo Syngkon of Nomsdale, Block 6, Vibar District, sponsored by Voice of the People Party, to have been duly elected by the said constituency in the general election to the member of the House of the People, and that in token thereof I have granted to him this certificate of election. Thank you.
Remove this. Is it clear?
Yes.
Well, as you all are aware, the vision of our party is to revive, restore and transform Meghalaya. So that is the vision of the party, and we will follow that vision.
Okay. And now VPP, of course, when it goes to the parliament, it is an individual party. It's not with any other party. So how will you, what will be your issues that you will be highlighting in the parliament? What are the key issues that you want to highlight immediately in the parliament?
Well, first of all, let's remind you all that when we went for the election, we had a 24-point manifesto. Well, each of those points are important in the eyes of our party, but then as a party we would be sitting together and we will work out, on a priority basis. So which of those issues would be taken up, that we will let you all know once as a party, we sit and take a decision.
How do you see?
You said BJP is doing good, but actually they are not doing.
But they are forming government.
Whatever. Okay. Yes. Well, we have our own stand, and we will stick to our principle, right, as a party.
So when will you have meeting to decide about which
Very soon, very soon. Yeah. Yes, stop.
Hadian hubon sila magkaba party regional party kan Jop.
Ningkong ya, penpau di semua you play try kenrat, kalau long rengkat pat ni ke party, lalu kebangi sedang hi, kau mengejutkan, kemungkinan yang juga party, di soto ba, nak bor beliau ngimla, ibu kejeng syanyak ho play, bat kum ki dalam juga party, rengkat bat kini ki betray, mau juga party, ni don tangga Kawei ba, bagin tray shitom. But like ihi hagi election campaign ke jongi gila dong lo ki kentong kensrot agawan pensai pen soto yu pai ba namar ka don kam tangata kom ka party ngi soto ba la dengi bagi lek su pai ba but pensai su pai ba un soto ya kai ka politics but ka politics ka bakum no ka baga VPP ka don panterwa ke kata ka bangi lek but kum ni pai ba ula ai kata ka jing kershan ngi Namaru pat ba hi kumba i wa thrang ye kajing kala pakane ga dekat ang kajing sedang jong kajing kala na kabangi long menta syaka ek ka khamha kham jana
Kaya gimat di bafin. Saya kira nomor ba kopi pak sini pak. Yes, saya kira kok. Thank you so much.